So this is January 25th, 2010. Our first real blizzard of the year, 12 inches of snow. And we're just gonna take a little drive. Regina, Saskatchewan. Traveling down Broadway Avenue right now. And we're going to go through Wascana Park so we can see what a, quote, impassable road looks like. And hopefully I don't get stuck. I had to dig myself out of a couple of spots today, but I haven't been stuck while driving yet, so. Traveling south on Broad Street / Wascana Parkway, going over Wascana Lake. And we're going to take a right on Lakeshore Drive, which goes right through the park, and see what it looks like. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get through there. We'll go around. As you can see, the driving lane I'm supposed to be in is completely blocked.